What exactly is that box supposed to be holding?
A T-Rex toy?
I didn't know they sent us a life-size replica of it.
No, they didn't. They sent us a quarter of it.
In that case, let's get to opening it.
So this is the thrash and devour Tyrannosaurus Rex. By the way, we have that guy. That was censored. So right here we have the thrash and devour Tyrannosaurus Rex. I already said that. This is your time. Okay. So right here, this is a sound one. The button is about on the tail like most right here, and right here it says side. It has like a symbol of side to side, which is for the thrash.
Well, do you think maybe we should open it now?
Yeah. Alright. So right here we have the thrash and devour Tyrannosaurus Rex. I say that too wrong. Right here we also have the Morse, which is a part which was shown in it. Being devoured and thrashed.
That's certainly cool.
It also, by the way, there's like a little spot in here. You could like stick your hand in it if your hand fits. Now you could.
And for resemblance,
This was the 1993. This is a 1993 one. Probably showing like.
You got that in 1993?
No, duh. So this is like the 1993 like from
Which you
Jurassic
time
Park,
traveled to get, by the way.
which is in Jurassic Park. You see how big this thing is? This thing is also a bit broken, so which is why it's able to actually look like that. But this thing is massive, and also the face looks different.
Not different, but much larger in scale, for sure. Also very wide.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Also, by the way, forgot to mention out this. I don't think I should showing you this thing.
Oh, that's fine.
Okay. So,
Besides, what's stopping you from going to your local Target? What's stopping you from going to your local Target, opening up one of these on the toy aisle, and scanning it yourself?
that's actually a pretty good idea. Okay, so this is very cool. It could fit an entire raptor, I guess, inside of his mouth. By the way, make sure that this. By the way, this is how you.
But anyway, that's pretty cool.
Yep, it is. Now that let's actually fasten all of this, just like they did in the picture. forgot to mention that it also has little scars. I actually didn't notice that while making the video. So yeah, pretty cool. Like, I think it was like it's from like, I think like either from like the battle against the Tyrannosaurus or like from like the battle against the Indominus Rex. Yeah, you know that one. These things are for like you can just make it like eat like a person and stuff, like a human like size it. And like the toy figure size person, like anybody really, and even like and have it save the humans, like just in like, well, like it's just like not use this guy who actually did save the humans and just like, nope, I know I saved the human. How did that come off? Anyways, yeah, it's kind of the extreme damage ones, where it's like where you could like turn on it, but like I don't know if that or ever video on that, because I just like don't think that like it's is that necessary. Necessary to make a video on like toys that were like that like show like scars and like really deep ones and like bad ones too. By the way, there's also like a giant one with like can eat like anything. That's like a giant, enormous version of this. I'm gonna go tell him. Hey, Natty. 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 Natty.
What?
Did you know that there isn't a large version of that one?
Of what?
Of the T-Rex?
Of that T-Rex?
Yes.
How?
Just like check if there is.
I thought I couldn't get any bigger than that.
Yeah, and I think I could do like the Indominus toy. So yeah.